Now we come to Act 2, Scene 5. Previously we had seen that Lorenzo sends Lancelot back to Shylock's home. And here we see that it is Shylock's house, and who enters? Shylock and Lancelot. Now Shylock warns Lancelot that Bassanio will not be as lenient a master as he himself has been. So he tells him, "Well, thou shalt see, thy eyes shall be thy judge, the difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. Now you will not be able to overeat or oversleep as you did in my house. So that is the difference between your old master, that is Shylock, and your new master, that is Bassanio." And they are talking to each other, and Shylock calls Jessica. Jessica is his daughter. And hearing this, Lancelot also he calls Jessica by her name. Shylock tells Jessica that he has been summoned for dinner, and he is worried by premonition. प्रेमोनिशन बोलते हैं उसको, पहले से ही ये डर हो जाता है या पूर्वानुमान हो जाता है कि कुछ समस्या आने वाली है, कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाला है. That some trouble is brewing. And what is that trouble? He doesn't know that Jessica and Lorenzo are planning to elope. And Shylock asks Jessica to keep the doors of the house locked and not to look out at the revelry that is taking place in the street. That is a masquerade. And Lancelot tells Jessica that secretly he tells her that she must disobey her father and look out of the window for the Christian. Look at line 41. Who will be worth a Jew's eyes. So whom is he referring to? He is referring to Lorenzo. Shylock asks Jessica about her secret conversation. Feuty means उसने जो secret बात की थी Lancelot से. So Shylock wants to know what were they talking, and he says that though Lancelot is very kind, but he sleeps too much, eats too much to be an efficient and worthwhile servant. And after Shylock has left to see Bassanio for dinner, Jessica bids him farewell. And what does she say? "Farewell, and if my fortune be not crossed, I have a father, you a daughter lost." Means if everything goes perfectly, if nothing goes wrong, she is going to run away with Lorenzo. And so in this way, Shylock will soon have lost a daughter, means Jessica, and she will have lost a father. So here we see that Jessica is planning to run away with Lorenzo. She will be disguised as his torch bearer, as we had seen in the previous scenes. What are their plans for a masquerade party in order to elope? Okay.